Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine red color. We'll dive into the simple yet crucial steps that give red wine its beautiful hue. Understanding the process of color extraction from grape skins is key to crafting a visually appealing wine. We'll cover the basics, ensuring you can achieve a rich, vibrant red with ease. Let's get started on making your homemade wine truly stand out. The magic of red wine color largely happens during maceration and fermentation. Maceration is when the grape skins are left in contact with the juice, allowing their pigments to infuse. As fermentation progresses, the alcohol produced helps to extract even more color compounds. Controlling the duration of the skin contact is vital for achieving your desired shade, from a light ruby to a deep garnet. Temperature plays a significant role in color development. Warmer fermentation can boost extraction. Managing the cap of skins that forms on top is also crucial. Regularly punching down the cap pushes the skins back into the juice, ensuring maximum contact. Alternatively, pumping over circulates the juice, effectively extracting color and other desirable compounds for a richer, more vibrant red wine. For those seeking to fine-tune their wine's color, there are a few advanced techniques. Certain winemaking enzymes can be added to further aid in color extraction from the grape skins. Additionally, blending different red wines allows for precise control over the final hue and intensity. Remember, practice makes perfect in winemaking. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Happy winemaking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.